G'day, I'm Anthony. Sit back and enjoy the video while I show you why I'm the best guy for the best job in the world. This is a job for me. Besides the obvious, you know, my good looks, my curly golden locks, and my buff physique, I have a fun and outgoing personality with a good sense of humour. Having travelled the world, been there and done that, no one can ignore what us Aussies have in our own backyard. Take Hamilton Island for instance, my favourite spot. That's only one of 600 in the Great Barrier Reef. I can't wait to get back up there and explore the rest. I'm a good communicator and creative. I enjoy a large range of activities like photography, the wildlife, the great outdoors and indoors, and swimming. I've been involved with sales and marketing over the last 10 years, and I'm a well-experienced professional. I look forward to representing the honours of the Great Barrier Reef with professionalism and style. And I look forward to meeting with you in May. Bye.